John Crestani here, and I'm going to go over the 3 best online side hustles that you can start if you want to make lots of money working online. I've made tens of millions of dollars at this point, actually, over $20 million working on the internet, and I hope to convey some of that knowledge to you to help you get started as well. Let's get it. Woo! So the first best side hustle that you can start to make money online is to hit that like button for the algorithm and subscribe to my channel. But beyond that, it's done for you services. Now, services can be a great place to start if you're new online and looking for a side hustle. Business owners with lots of money and very little time need people to do stuff for them. Now, if you figure out what those things are, you can offer them to people like myself as paid services. This lets you build a new skill set, which can be very valuable in the long term. You'll also get a base income that you can invest in starting your own business so you can fund your own business. Plus, you can even get close to a big entrepreneur, a big marketer, and possibly get free mentorship from them. Eventually, you can outsource your services and figure out ways to automate what you're doing so it won't take as much time. The second best online side hustle is one-on-one consulting. Now, you'll be learning a lot as an entrepreneur, and you can get paid to share what you learn with others that don't know as much as you know. Again, you don't need to be the smartest person in the room. You just need to know a little bit more than the next guy, and you can get paid for consulting. Even if you just learned your first skill, there's somebody who doesn't know it. There's actually lots of big businesses with money who probably don't know it. And you can simply sell one-on-one consulting where you share that skill with either individuals or big businesses. All you have to do is figure out the phases they need to move through with whatever skill that you're selling. If it's 4 phases, you can sell them 4 calls and talk about 1 phase per call. Give them a call recording and written notes as a bonus. Okay, the call recordings can even be turned into an info product and sold to generate you passive income. I've done this with affiliate marketing. I brought it down to a 3-step system. People, which is targeting, place, which is the landing page, and product, which is picking the right product. And I sell my information product for anywhere from $5,000 to $1,000 online. And this generates me hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. Now, the third best side hustle you can do is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is a lot more passive than services or consulting. The money you make from services and consulting can be used to fund it. You can simply find products that you want to offer people, whether it's weight loss or investment products or business products or training products, supplements, and you find an affiliate network that has them, such as ClickBank, and they will pay you a commission each time somebody buys a product that you recommend to them. The biggest affiliate program is Amazon. People make millions and millions of dollars a year recommending products that are on Amazon. Now, one great way to do affiliate marketing is to use ClickFunnels and create a squeeze page. You send traffic to the squeeze page and you use that to build your email list. And then you send people, after they register their email, over to the product that you're going to recommend they buy. That way you get 2 sources of ways of building an audience. You get money and you get an email list. And what's great about affiliate marketing is you get to sell something that you don't own yourself, that you don't have to build or support yourself. You just learn how to send free and paid traffic to the funnel and you make money. I have a course on affiliate marketing if you'd like me to teach how to do this. Now, I started out in done for you services. So the first thing we talked about was done for you, and that's where I started out. I was managing people's ads for them. I was not successfully able to be an affiliate marketer. Every time I spent money on advertising, I lost it. So I just did advertising for other companies that didn't know how to do advertising as well as I did. Again, I wasn't even good enough to make money myself, but I knew a little bit more than the next guy, so I was able to sell that as a service to businesses who had zero clue about how to do advertising. And I was able to build that business up to doing about $30,000 a month. And I wasn't even successful at doing marketing, but I was able to make $30,000 a month by providing that service. Now, moving forward, I got asked a lot over the years to do consulting with businesses. I generally stayed away from one-on-one consulting, but over the years, I did a lot of one-on-one consulting with businesses who said, hey, can you come into my office for one day and teach all my people how to do what you do, which is advertising or affiliate marketing. And I'll make $10,000 from a single day just going into a company's office and teaching them how to do advertising or how to do affiliate marketing. Not that complicated. And that one-on-one consulting and all those requests led to the creation of my information product, which is called Super Affiliate System, which now makes me hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. Seriously. And it's the best, and we've focused a lot of time and effort on it, and it's the best product to teach affiliate marketing. Now, anything you want to learn in Super Affiliate System can be learned online somewhere, in my videos or whatnot, but Super Affiliate System is organized. So you could go through 500 hours of content I have here on YouTube, or you could go through the organized version, which is higher quality and includes more resources and stuff in my course. And many people do, and they find it very helpful. Now, the third thing I talked about was affiliate marketing, which is what I've been doing since 2012. Full-time. I've been a full-time affiliate marketer. That's how I make a lot of money. I prefer selling other people's products because I just don't like managing people, recruiting, hiring, legal stuff, paperwork, dealing with people's emotions. I just don't enjoy that. Motivating folks, right? I'm not here motivating anybody. I just try to speak to people who are self-motivated. So affiliate marketing's really just behind the scenes, and that's what I love about it. Now, if you enjoy learning about it, my channel, I talk a lot about affiliate marketing. So make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. I put up videos every single day, many of them to do with affiliate marketing. So hope you come back, learn more. And if you want to join the community and talk about different ways to make money, I encourage you to join my Discord chat group down in the links in the description. And if you'd like to just chat with me casually, make sure to come on the Monday live streams here on YouTube or follow me on Twitch, and I stream there sometimes. Those are the most casual conversations. So great talking to you. Looking forward to seeing you again soon. Have a good day.